สวัสดีค่ะ Did you know there's a way to visit a majority of EU countries with only one visa? The Schengen Visa gives you freedom to explore 29 European Union countries and only a single application is required. I'm Pear, and in today's video, we'll be covering the Schengen Visa, what benefits it offers, and how to obtain one. If you're not from a country that's eligible for visa-free passage into the EU, you must get an appropriate visa to legally enter. Most foreign citizens, including Thais, cannot enter the EU without a visa. A Schengen visa allows you to visit all countries in the Schengen area, which comprises most EU countries, without additional visas for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. This single visa lets you visit any of the 29 Schengen countries and travel freely between them as long as your visa remains valid. Here is a full list of Schengen area countries. While you can obtain a standard Schengen visa, there are some activities you cannot legally take part in, such as study, work, or business activities. The good news is that there are different types of European visas, each designed for a specific purpose. The various kinds of Schengen visa include business visa to carry out business activities and attend certain meetings, conferences, or trade fairs. Family visit visa to join an EU family member and live with them for extended periods. Student visa to study in the EU for a certain period. Spouse visa to accompany and live long-term with your European spouse. Some of these visas have higher entry barriers than a typical Schengen visa, with additional eligibility requirements to fulfill and documentation to submit. However, it is important to choose the right visa that aligns with your purpose for traveling to the EU to avoid trouble with the law. You can apply for a Schengen visa at any nearby embassy or visa application center in Thailand that represents the country you want to visit. Despite this, you can still use the visa to travel to any Schengen country of your choice, as long as it remains valid. Depending on the country, some embassies don't directly handle visa applications and instead outsource these to third-party visa application centers, such as TLS, VFS, or BLS. You should check the embassy's website to confirm which provider handles applications and submit your documents accordingly. For example, if you want to visit France, Belgium, or Portugal, you will need to submit your application to TLS Contact in Bangkok. If you want to travel to Spain or Slovakia, your application will be handled by the BLS Center in Bangkok. If you want to go to Germany, Italy, and several other European countries, the VFS Global Center in Thailand will be handling your application. If there is no visa application center in Thailand for that country, you can apply at the embassy. To secure a Schengen visa, you will need to prepare the following documents. 1. A valid non-EU passport. 2. A recent passport size photograph of yourself. 3. A completed application form. 4. Proof of your finances, such as a bank statement. 5. Proof of accommodation at your destination, such as a hotel itinerary. You may also need to provide additional documentation, either by request from the immigration officer or depending on what type of visa you're applying for. For example, if you're applying for a business visa to work locally, you'll often need an official letter from your employer. While applying for a Schengen visa is doable on your own, it is highly recommended to partner with a foreign visa consultant or European immigration specialist to make the process easier. They will carefully prepare your application and submit it to the relevant authorities, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. You can find them at various law firms around Thailand, with Siam Legal being one of them. Once your application has been processed, you can collect your Schengen visa from the closest embassy or visa application center in Thailand and book your flight to Europe. If you're looking to get started on planning your trip to Europe, partner with Siam Legal's foreign visa team for professional assistance in obtaining your Schengen visa. We are a full-service law firm and visa consultancy with over 20 years of experience in helping foreigners and Thais alike secure the immigration solutions they need. Our seasoned visa consultants have the expertise to ensure your travels to Europe are free from visa issues or delays. We will support you throughout your application, from gathering all your required documents and reviewing your application to check for errors, to even submitting it to the correct visa application center or embassy on your behalf. We manage all the busy work so you can focus on planning your travels with peace of mind. If you would like to learn more about the Schengen Visa or alternative ways to travel to Europe, reach out to our foreign visa team for more information. Our contact details are in the description below, and for more news on foreign visas and ways to travel from Thailand to other countries, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with your European travel plans. สวัสดีค่ะ